Happy 2022, everybody. Welcome to Mammoth Mountain, California. It's the WWSRA on snow demo. And, true story, 2019 was kind of a tough year for me and my family. And I remember very clearly when 2020 started thinking, well, at least it can't be worse than that. Oh, my friends, we're still here. If you're watching this, you're still here. And thank goodness the mountains are still here. We've got some snow, we've got some skis. We're mostly gonna focus on all mountain. And to start things off, we have the Bonafide. Let's take a look at it. There it is, right there. And the Bonafide remains Blizzard's flagship all-mountain ski, and it's coming back with mostly minor tweaks. So this might be a theme in all of the skis we see this year. Probably lesser tweaks, minor changes rather than big bold designs, just as a reflection of the reality of the past 2 years. But the tweak in this case is making it a little bit more forgiving. Don't let that scare you off. The Bonafide, the last one I skied was the 2020 ski. It was very, very stiff. You remember they did this new thing with a wood core. It's kind of like it's interleaved or interwoven, where the wood has two pieces going in different directions underfoot to make it thicker and stiffer underfoot. That made this ski incredibly tenacious for grip, but maybe a little bit harsh. I'm going to use that word. So they're trying to make it a little bit friendlier now. And I think they've succeeded. You know, I'm just going to say in terms of geometry, Blizzard owns this category. Nobody has done it better. Nobody has figured it out better than this particular rocker profile, this particular side cut. It goes back to the original Bonafide, the Kabuki, which I love. You know, anything that I would quibble about with this ski would be involving maybe the stiffness. I would like a little bit more snappiness and lightness, and Blizzard says, no, we're gonna go heavier, big edge grip. Long radius turns are formidable. That's where the ski thrives. Making anticipated GS turns, the ski just kills it. Shorter turns, short radius turns, turn shape versatility, soft snow, not as impressive a performer, but the tilt here is big fast GS turns on hard snow, and this ski is amazing at that. I think a little bit friendlier, a little bit funner, but certainly not playful, not light. Lots of grip, lots of power. That's it for the Bonafide. All right, back to Mammoth and some more skis.